Seeing the Nintendo Switch error code 20050003. This error usually appears when your console fails to download a game or update. The most common culprit is that your microSD card might be corrupted, incorrectly formatted, or simply incompatible. However, issues like slow internet or limited storage can also cause this problem. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to fix it, quick and easy. Let's get started. Solution 1. Reinsert the microSD card. Press and hold the power button of your Switch for a few seconds. Now select Power Options. Choose Turn Off. Now go behind the back of your Nintendo Switch and gently remove the microSD card. Wait a bit, then reinsert it. Now power up your Nintendo Switch and see if that fixes the problem. Solution 2. Check and reformat the microSD card. Note, this will erase everything on the card, so back up your data if needed. Once you are sure of it, open up your Switch and go to System Settings. Scroll all the way down to System. On the right side, scroll down to Formatting Options. Open it up. Now select Format microSD card and confirm your choice. After formatting, eject and reinsert the microSD card again and see if the problem is fixed. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy Nintendo Switch fix tutorials. Thanks for watching.